Hey everyone, it's Lee here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share links on your WhatsApp status. It's a simple process, so let's get started. There are two different ways to share links on your WhatsApp status. The first way is to go directly into a website on your browser. For example, let's say we want to share the Google main page here. Click on the share button at the bottom here on your browser, then hit copy. Now let's open up the WhatsApp. To update your status, click on the little pencil button at the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then paste the link. Now you can share it as a working link. The second way to share a link through the app itself, let's say you want to share a YouTube video. Simply hit the share button on the video, then hit WhatsApp. Choose your status and share. And that's it. It's that simple to share links on your WhatsApp status. If you have any questions or concerns, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.